Skylar, you gotta wake up your big brother? Yeah? Go wake it. Where's big brother? Wake him up. Say good morning, big brother. Good morning. Give him kisses. Give him nice. Give him nice. Give him nice. Nice. Give him nice. Oh, that's so nice. Give him kisses. Say good morning. Say good morning. Is he sleeping in your crib? Are they sleeping in your crib? That's so nice. Give him nice. Good morning, Matthew. It's time to get up, honey. Oh, that's so nice.